Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 apps that can help you make money online. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, Meetings. Meetings Technologies is a company that specializes in customer insights. They pay you to participate in multi-day studies that ranges between $30 to $50 per 30 minutes and up to $150 per hour. Some of these studies include group discussions, participating in live chats, completing short surveys, testing new products such as websites and apps before they come out to the public. They call their participants thinkers because that's what you get paid to do. This app is available for both Android and iOS users. And it is number 1 on my list because the multi-day studies pay really well. If you're a regular, you know I like sites or apps that are similar to Respondent or User International. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll see a list of gigs under paid gig section. But to be able to receive studies, you have to complete your profile. If you see a study you don't qualify for, but you know someone who may, you can refer them for that particular study and they pay you extra €5 should that person get chosen and complete the study. The 2 main pros for me are that you can use your phone, which is really good for those of you who don't have a laptop, and it is available worldwide. But the cons, for high-paying studies or multi-day studies, you are required to record yourself. So if you're camera shy or you're just not comfortable with recording yourself for a client you don't know, then maybe it may not be for you. Another thing, they do ask to track your location to better understand your demographics, and I know some people may be skeptical about this, but personally I am not, because I feel like we are already tracked somehow. Every time when I buy something, before I even buy it, I just feel like my phone already knows. I start getting ads about that particular thing. So I don't know, I feel like everyone is tracking us, especially the social media apps we are using. Number 2, Uhrs. I actually don't know how to pronounce this, so this is the safest thing to do. But it's a crowdsourcing platform for data entry jobs. So you may be required to perform jobs such as video annotation, classifying images, search evaluation, or search relevant tasks, etc. They are a sub-company for ClickWorker, so in order to be able to receive your money weekly, you must have a ClickWorker account. Even though they don't have an app, but their websites can be accessed using a phone and you can perform tasks with your phone. When I was researching this company, I actually screen recorded my process of signing up, but then I came across another creator who apparently got told to take down the video as you are not supposed to show the inside of the platform. So unfortunately, I can't post that. But to sign up, firstly go to ClickWorker, create an account. Inside the app, there is an option for qualify for Uhrs. This allows you to take tests. Yes, there is a test you need to take before having access to jobs, but it's an English test that you'll probably pass. After passing this test, go to ClickWorker task, then click on jobs written, go to Uhrs. They don't only pay via PayPal, but they have an option for Pioneer and TransferWise. And the cons, it's the withdrawing time. You have to wait 28 days before you can withdraw, which can be really frustrating if you need the money urgently. But this should not stop you from joining, because the money you'll be accumulating is still yours, just that you have to wait before you can get it. If you have a problem with registration or signing up, you can of course ask me anytime, but please don't abuse this, because some of you really be asking me the easiest questions that can be Googled. And also, if a problem is technical, there's nothing I can do. You should email the company directly. Number 3, ThinkOpinion. As you can see here, you will be converting your opinions into prizes. They have partnered with different researchers and even other popular survey sites. You will also see some of the companies under offer walls. They offer short studies which mostly pay in cash while others pay in points, but points can be converted. 1 point is equivalent to $0.01. This platform is more of an all-in-one kind of platform. You may find offers where you don't have to answer a short study, but instead you have to test unreleased products. They pay via Skrill, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards. Unlike the previous website, you will get your money within 24 hours to 48 hours after requesting a withdrawal. What I like about this website, it's still new. It was launched in 2019, meaning the competition isn't that high because not many people know about it yet. And I also like the low payout threshold of $5. But what I don't like is the fact that they don't have really high paying single offers, or at least I haven't seen. So this means in order to be able to make a substantial amount of money, you have to do multiple jobs. But on meetings, for example, you can make $50 just from one study. Number 4, Tokolo app. This one I have to give credit to this lady who mentioned me on Twitter the other day. As you can see her screenshots, she has cashed out from this app, and from my research, it is a legit app that pays you to perform different tasks such as comparing images, answering questions, etc. When it comes to mini jobs, some people put minimal effort, but on this app, the quality of the answers you give determine the future tasks that will be available to you. So don't just do it for the sake of doing it because it will hurt your score. They offer payments in 4 different ways, that being PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and Papara. For each payment method, there are certain rules. For example, for Skrill, you can withdraw $1 for the first time and a minimum of $5 thereafter. For PayPal, the first withdrawal can be as little as $0.02, but I wouldn't advise you do that because it doesn't make sense. You should wait for the money to accumulate. After your first withdrawal, you can withdraw a minimum of $1. Another thing, don't be confused when you click the link down below and see Yandex. It's the same company. Once you've downloaded the app, it will show Tokolo. The pay per task is definitely not that high, but I saw a lot of available short tasks. So if you do have the time, you can make good money. Number 5, Ishop for Ipsos. A few weeks back, I shared Ipsos I say in a greater detail. They also have a sub company called Ishop for Ipsos. Essentially, you get paid to be a mystery shopper. If you know the likes of M4Jam and Field Agent, this is similar to that. You'll be asked to go to physical stores like McD or ShopRite, etc. They want you to pretend like an actual shopper and note the staff's behavior. Another option is to earn through online shopping experience. Each and every task has its own instructions, and you will pre-screen for each and submit all the necessary information. You may be thinking, what about the money I spend shopping? The good thing is they reimburse you, and the tasks that they ask you to perform are never too expensive. Once you've passed the pre-screening and do the task as instructed, rest assured you will get paid. For each and every submission, you get paid instantly. No need to reach any threshold. From the list, this is another app that pays pretty well per gig. You can expect anywhere between $10 to $30. If you live far from the city, it may be hard for you to go to physical stores. So in that case, I'd say opt for online shopping experience. The only thing I don't like about this website is that while it is available in a lot of countries, but in Africa, it's only available in South Africa. And you know, I always try to target mainly African countries because the other countries already have an advantage. But if you are not from South Africa, you can still definitely apply to 4 other companies. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can. And all the links will be down below in the description box. By the way, guys, description box is not the same as comment section, because sometimes I see comments of people asking me about the links, but each and every one of my video I always put the links in the description box.